estate investing is what I am summarizing right now. Real estate investing is a book, and it is a comprehensive guide for real estate investment strategies and techniques. The book provides a step-by-step approach to investing in real estate, including researching and identifying profitable real estate opportunities, analyzing potential investments, and managing risk. The author covers various aspects of real estate investing, including residential and commercial properties, flipping, leasing, and property management. Throughout the book, the author emphasizes the importance of having a long-term vision and taking calculated risks. The author also highlights the value of education. Additionally, the book provides tips and insights on how to network, negotiate, and close real estate deals effectively. Overall, real estate investing is a valuable resource for anyone looking to start or expand their real estate investment portfolio. It covers the fundamentals of real estate investing and provides practical guidance on how to make informed decisions and achieve financial success in the world of real estate. Go and get the book and go through the whole of the book, and you are going to be glad that you did. This is where I'm going to stop on this particular book about real estate. I want you to like this video, share the link of this video with your family and with your friends, and then what else are you going to do? Comment in the comment section below the type of book or a particular book that you want me to write a review on or to summarize, like this one that I've done. So this is another book that is popping up that I've summarized, and another video that is on this channel that is going to help you. Go ahead and watch it, and you are going to be glad you did. Bye for now.